Hello, everyone. My name is Kobe Hilton, and today I'll be talking about the LGBTQ community and adoption. What is the LGBTQ community? The LGBTQ community is an abbreviation for lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, or even questioning intersex, and more. These terms are used to describe a person's sexual orientation or gender identity. What is the problem? The problem was the LGBTQ community weren't able to legally get married until the Marriage Act in 2015. If they couldn't legally marry, the agencies denied them the adopting access to adopting children, and with fewer children available, it was almost impossible. Syringes were their only alternative, but it cost a lot of money. Pretty much just saying if they were to be in a situation that the kid would technically be only related to one of the parents, rather than if a male and a female had a kid, the kid would have both parents' DNA. Rather, in this situation, the kid will only have one of the two parents' DNA. And step parent and second parent, with the adoption process, a new legal parent is given parental rights and obligations without affecting those of the other legal parents. Pretty much just saying the second parent adoption allows a second parent to adopt their partner's child without the first parent losing any parental rights. A relationship between the parents is necessary for step parent adoption, but not second parent adoption. Each interested parent in the United States is required to perform a home study as part of their adoption procedure. Pretty much, the home study adoption procedure is a basic overview of your life, including your criminal background checks and financials, and even your personal relationships or past relationships. Second viewpoint: the right to privacy upholds freedom and equality for men and allows for men and women, which refers to reproductive rights. The recognized definition of privacy provided by the United States Supreme Court defenders of privacy have denounced the rights as a court creation. Third viewpoint: that Catholic churches don't support the adoption of children to same-sex couples because marriage is between a man and a woman. There is no way same-sex couples can pretty much make a baby naturally. The Christian agencies don't allow the adoptions of babies to the LGBTQ community because they want them to pretty much just be raised in a Christian or a Catholic home with the same values. Because of birth control and adoption, fewer children are able to be put up for adoption. So private and Christian agencies want these children to be brought up in a loving married couple home. The code of ethics, pretty much just saying as long as you're following the rules of the code of ethics, the agencies of the NASW code, like others, couples that apply for adoption, they have no say so who is adopting because they have followed all the rules and the rights to be able to have that child. I have a few questions. What are the pros and cons allowing the LGBTQ community to adopting children? And what do you think the adopting child will grow up to be part of? Do you think they would be part of the LGBTQ community, or would they be part of the straight community? My second question, when do you think it would be like the appropriate time for the parents to sit down and have that talk with them about why their parents are the same sex, and why aren't my dad a dad, or why isn't my mom a mom? Like, why are they part of the same sex? Why aren't they a boy and a girl? Thank you.